Are you ready to take your picture game to the next level and remove those backgrounds? Let's teach it on up. Hello, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to remove a background from a photo. So right now I am in my picture section of my Google Drive. So I'm just going to pick a photo, and you might want to remove a background for just a various amount of reasons. But I'm going to click on this one. Even though little Louie's eyes are closed, I'm still going to pick this photo because I just think it's so cute. These are my two children, Tate and McKinley. This is our micro mini golden doodle, Louie, from Christmas. So I'm going to download that picture first. And you'll just want to save your picture wherever it is that you have easy access to, okay? So now I am going to want to remove this background. I don't want all this stuff in there. And so what I do is I go to remove.bg. And so I'm going to show you, I've already been on it obviously, but it's going to look like this, remove BG. And you're just going to drag your picture on there, or you could click that blue button that's right here, click that and find your picture. So you can just drag it, and it's going to take a minute to think. And it will show you. So there it is, and the background has been removed. It's only Tate and McKinley and Louie left. So I'm going to download that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to PowerPoint, and I am going to insert, oops, what am I doing here? Insert my picture from file. And I'm going to go find that one. It's the preview right there. And there it is. And it'll give me suggestions over here. I can choose like a background image if I wanted to. I'm going to choose this one. Oh, I think I'm going to choose that one instead. I like the white background. And I can choose to make it however I want. And I'm going to show you because, as you can see, PowerPoint has a remove background feature over here. But here's why I like the remove.bg better on the website. I'm going to show you what it looks like whenever you use that. So I'm going to insert the original picture. Okay, so there's the original with the background. Now I'm going to come up here to remove background, and it's going to think for a minute. And that's what it's going to look like. So it removes more than just the background. And there's Louie barking at the mailman right now, if you've heard that. So, so there's this versus this. And that's why I like remove.bg better on the web, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know, but that's just a simple and quick tutorial on how to remove your picture's background.